He takes him on and sends a message towards all those fans waiting to come in. A free hit and he makes Ali Raza pay. One more time. That's into the Dubai Marina. Mid-off, straight to the fielder. Yeah, he should be safe.
Because the first impact is
Edge, no second slip. Straight. And Ali Raza, who's just bowled an over. Now this is the Aaron George we've come to know and love.
in that inning. And again in the air, by the way, in the gap also. We'll earn him runs, if not a boundary. Yes, it is a boundary.
Oh, it's right at the helmet, and this could be Curtains. Mr. Consistent departs.
Again looking to take him on. Not to be. Great length again. Length is the key. Got it right. Yes, celebrate. Edge, yes. Gone. Big wicket. Ali Raza strikes.
Oh, he was trying to take the bowler on at the first time of asking. Not much foot movement, only the bat, and Hamza.
Then one. Beautiful. Great timing. Excellent placement. So he has a very important role. Oh, Gohan knocks him over. Wicket in his very first over.
In the time of need where you needed to be a little sure-footed and watchful, goes for the long hoik. Does Vihan Malhotra, misses the ball completely and it crashes into the leg stump.
Do need to stitch together a partnership. Well placed by Vedant Trivedi. He'll get for a welcome boundary.
Once again, it's in the air, shot and a chance, and taken. Sayam with his heavy ball. Yeah, this hard Gabba pitch, if somebody has used that hard length to good effect, it has been Sayam in this game. Out of all the bowlers playing this match from both sides.
But for the moment, the spin has been greeted to the bowling crease by a... That could be taken, it will be taken. He's found the man, a third man.
Shot but aiming at the stumps, and Kundu, well, he just gives some catching practice to the third. Knowing that there's a man placed over there, I don't know what he was thinking. Possess. This is a finely played cut late. This will get to the boundary.
Oh, this is in the air. And taken. Farhan Yunus, skipper, completes the catch.
Onto him quickly, bounced a bit. Thank you very much at mid-on. A little bit too easy for Pakistan at the moment.
Oh, he gets that in the slot. And he sends it off for a maximum. Comes down the track, charges on and sends it off for a maximum.
Haven't really recovered. And this is going down for the big hit and chance for Sayam, and he takes it. Easy one.
Khilan Patel using his feet, but the ball was turning away from him. Didn't get to the meat of the blade, got the elevation, not the distance. And in the deep, the catch being taken by Sayam. Well, he was backing away, giving himself the opportunity to free his arms. And Devendran will get a 4.
Then has been a better patch for him, and another chance. This time it's long off, and this time another wicket. 9th down, and Pakistan inch closer to.
And unfortunately sliced it off his bat. Straight into the hands of long off. Yes, they're just 1 wicket away are the Pakistan under-19s from.
This is big. This is in the cow corner, and it clears the boundary by some distance. Once again, he looks to go big, doesn't get the timing, but Sayam, he misfields one.
Streaky, lucky, but 4. That's what Dory. In the air, could it be taken?
There's a chance this time, and it falls to the ground and quietly crosses the rope as well.
Well, Devendran's not going down without a fight. Smack.
This is a chance. There's a fielder getting under, but once again it goes the distance, and I hope the fielder is okay. He's got hit in the face, I guess. As this one is inside edged, and he is past that exam at least. He's gone to 36 with. This is once again up in the sky, and this is held, and this is the moment. Pakistan becoming the champions. The first exclusive win for Pakistan as Ali Raza